So, hello guys. So, part 2 to siya sa last video na aking in-upload about Balikbayan box. So, ayan nga. Gi-timelapse lang muna ako guys para mas mabilis. So, naglagay ako ng mga vitamins, juices, may lotion, may chocolates, and so on, mga etc. dyan. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga pinaglalagay ko, pero alam ko, nirap ko ng maayos yung lotion para hindi mag-leak. Merong mga tea, and so on. So, ayan ang ating pangalawang box, guys. Yan na lang yung space na natira natin. So, mayroon mapatay mapansak. Pero, let's see kung anong ating mailagay. Kasi, meron pa tayong ilalagay. So, let's see, guys. So, bukas may trabaho ako. Kaya, gabi ko na siya ginawa ngayon. And then, at least ready na siya kung kailan man itong ipipick up. In few days, ipipick up na to. Meron pa akong hindi mga na ilagay, pero ang mga importante muna. Yeah. Second box natin. Hindi pa din. Hi guys. I have one day. Mayor doon. Nilayhay again. Ito na yung update sa ating box. Ayan. Puno na yan. Diba? And then, ayan. Na, nilagay ko lang yung ibang mga stuff. Lalagyan ko siya ng mga tela, guys, para ma-push. Ma-protected naman yung iba. Then, let's see kung may maano pa natin. So, ito yung inaano ko ngayon. Ano yan siya? Lagayan ng towel ba? Sa banyo. Tapos, hindi. You have to fill autos, Uben. Francis, you're eating bread. That's... So, ilalagay ko tong mga damit, guys. Lalagyan ko kasi hollow siya. Oh. Hollow. So, may nilagay na ako ibang damit. Lalagay natin ibang damit dyan. Para useful ang space. Ne? So, come on, watch. Bukas may trabaho ako. Mama! Lalagay ko siya. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Yo! Mama! Yeah, that's your bag. Mama, that's mine? Huh? Mine? No, that's for your cousins in Philippines, yeah? What is Francis' bag? Francis, not the bag from Francis for kindergarten. Lagay natin. Bukot. Mga tinubuan ba, guys?
I was setting that to not here.
No, the bag stays here. That's your bag in kindergarten. Lagay natin siya dyan, guys. Ayan. Mga tinubuan ba? Francis. Meron kasi akong mga cousins na may nanganak na mga maliliit na bata. Tapos, hindi naman yung magamit ni Francis and Francene. Lagay natin. Mga tinubuan ko nilang Vanessa Unela nilagay ko. Ginawa ko siyang parang protective ba? Pang ano siya, guys? Para di mga guba ba. So, yan. Meron pang space ko. Oh, daming napasok dito. Kaya if my mom is gonna be watching this vlog, ang mga box na ganito, may mga damit siya. Okay? In the box.
Awa!
Okay.
Francis, the photo almost sad. Say cheese. I know the battery is low. Mama,
Yeah, that is... You don't play with that anymore, so we're gonna give that.
14. You know you said it's over 200 now. No, yours is over 200. Mine is... Hello guys! When you want to watch our video again, that's subscribe in our button.
Subscribe in our button. Subscribe to our channel and press the button. Nah?
But that's my dress.
Yeah, when you're a client, you have to give it away, yeah?
And this is my inner knocknar when I'm a baby. And that is Francis Susan. We are throwing everything away.
Not throwing.
That is from Francis.
Not throwing.
And this is from me and Mama. Look.
We're giving it away.
This is for me.
Mm-hmm.
And that is from Francis. My unicorn. Yeah, Mama, that is my mother.
Mm-hmm.
Here. On my flower dress. Oh, and what's this? It's I can't go there. This is my dress. My panty on me.
Mm-hmm.
And my sock.
Yeah, the tiny socks. We have to give it away.
I didn't know about wearing that way with socks. And I was still wearing a nappy when I was a babe, when I was 3.
Mm-hmm.
That's my inner.
No, that is your dress when you were small.
Yeah, I know. I thought of my inner. An inner dress for me. Oh, that's my other sock. It's thicker. I will help you. Press our video and then you will see our channel. No. Hi guys. And when channel, just press our button and then it's on forever. When you want to put it off, just say Mama and Papa. And then our channel is all over. And I would send that when you don't like it, send that to other girl or boy are going in the toilet. Mama, please. Mama, you like my Elsa mustard?
€3.50.
Mama, did you like
Kani
my
siya.
Elsa and mustard?
Kani kay brown sugar o red bean.
Do you like my Elsa mustard?
Yeah, I like it. I like it very much. And then, this coffee, try na to ni. Dayon, butang na to sa box ang, di naman maigo sa box, palita tagdaghan ani ba?
Mama, mine, like mine toy?
Yeah, I like your toy. Cappuccino, and that's Vin from Vina Coffee. And then I have so many. Nagpalit na po kong mga t-shirt pang kuan guys, pang unsa ni? Ugmal ang dami kong t-shirt sa Deutschland. Pang souvenir sa mga bata dito ba sa Philippines, souvenir Deutschland na t-shirt. 1, 2 naka-sale. 2 3 4. Akong giihap upat raman ata ka, upat ka bata raman ata ka laki dito. 4 upat. Anding kani nagpalit kog duha. Aloha. It says aloha. May pagidaghan ako niyo. Yan. And then nakapalit ko og Zara na sandal, pero ambot kinsa iguan ani dito. Igo man ata nako ni. Size 38. Zara. Igo ni mo ni. Bugat man ni day oy. Zara igo nako oh. Pero di man ako ni suoton guys. Padala na ako sa box. Zara. Zara na sandal bago pang sale. Sobra-sobra gro ni sa summer guys. Kung ibutan sa box. Kung kinsa iguan lang ani dito. Kumakain sila. No, that's the sandal. That's for the box. Mama Rose? Yeah, Mama Rose.
Mama Rose.
Yeah, Mama Rose.
This was Bubble.
Kuya Babu?
Mustard.
Yeah, for Mama Rose.
And mustard. And Miss
Kuya Babu. Kuya Babu. Idol niya si Kuya Babu eh.
When are we going in Philippines?
We have to, Mama needs to work more so we can go home in Philippines. I'll pass in Francis. Yeah, your hands, yeah.
I have to see my friend. I have to see
Hapon.
Halloween.
The mother is Filipino na vanish. She is here in Deutschland.
She's in Düsseldorf.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
my mother say no.
Yeah?
My mother way.
Yeah?
Mama, like our other house, the old one.
Yeah? Come on, eat. Finish your food, yeah?
Not throw my clothes away.
Did you wash, Francine?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do today in kindergarten?
Mama,
Next?
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
no, my papa done that. Now,
Mm-hmm.
not done that. Jade and Ruben and Jade
I'll pass in. I'll pass in.
and
I'll pass in.
What are you doing?
and Monster.
Mm-hmm.
Did you found anything? What is that iron with glitter?
Yeah, but you have to feel Einhorn already. Okay? You're gonna be... Oh, I'll pass in. I'll pass in your hand. That's... No, that's for Philippines,
Is it
okay?
mine?
That's brother Snappy.
Is that my candy?
So you're gonna be Paw Patrol, Francis? Okay. Pat you do.
Mouse and Jade, Ruben, Jade.
So, ayan guys, continuation tayo sa pagpapak. And then, ayan nga, gi-vacuum yun. Gi-vacuum ano na namin yung mga damit para hoping na mailagay siya, guys. Pero I think only 2 vacuum bags ang nagkasya. Pang ano lang siya ba, guys, sa ibabaw para pang... Kasi pag ang box kasi maus-us pa maguna siya. So, we're hoping na maus-us pa siya. So, kaya yan, vinacuum na namin siya, guys, para madami-dami pa yung mailagay. And then, yeah, nag-final touch na kami. Mga dapat ilagay. So, ayan.
She's gonna make food for you. How are you gonna film this?
I am filming. So, guys, here, see? Family in the Philippines. Ay, nabilin ang kasya siya. Family in the Philippines. Malo. Kita niyo na. Gikapoy yung taon may igo sa tanan. Igo yung taon na mo. Pick up na ang ubad. Gikapoy yung may igo. Iduot na namog ayo. Di yun niya. Nabilin. Nagawas man day ni. Nabilin. Sige, nabilin ang cellphone ni Mami Rose, ha? Cellphone ni Mami Rose.
What?
The mobile from Mami Rose.
It's not there.
Hala. Mami Rose is not there. You're handy. Let's see if she opens it, if it's there inside.
Yes?
I don't know.
Yeah. It is.
Oh God. Surely go, Mami Rose.
Another year you have to wait. But then it really don't work like my phone.
Sana na. Kaya dagan pa kaglihukon rin. Pa-energy lang ka. Ay, ginoo ko. Daghang pang Ay, wala na nga sulod. Di na yun maigo. Sunod ng uban. Next time na lang uban, guys, ha? Next time na lang ang uban. Mga daan naman po ni na mga sinina. Sunod na lang na, Sa una-una lang na ba? Una-una lang gud ang uban. Ang importante, masulod tong mga importante. Uli man po ko sunod. Manglawas. Ang isa Misha o Kylie, manunta niya ang isa kay wa na sulod. Nabilin ang isa naguna na. Pasaylo ang isa nasulod na dira kani man gud kay walay battery. Ang limot ko palit mo nang akong giwala sa nako gisulod. Nalimtan na lang yun hinuon siya. So akong kinsa to magtag-iya sa isa ani, Misha or Kylie, hanggang isa na pa diri ha. So pagsabot lang mo.
Voice recorder.
Pagsabot lang mo, kaysa mo tingog man tanawa lang yun dito sa sulod ha.
Ang isa ka mukhang sayaw.
Dayon, ang pasol ni Babo, nabilin. Daghang na nabilin. Nabilin ang pasol ni Babo. Bo, karon na lang muli ko, Bo, ha? Nabilin yun, Bo. And then, ang grapo ni Mama, nabilin pod, kaya di na maigo. Sunod na lang, di. So, naman nato ning mga kuan, di pa man na magamit. Good job. Good job kasi Frank for work, Good job, Frank for work, Ha? Oy, people in the Philippines say thank you to Frank for work, ha? He wrapped that one. We did that actually, so he will keep wrapping there. We have to acknowledge, so he will keep taping there because we have kind loss anymore. Ella on we had overtime. Si Ella yun og ako ang nagkuha ni. So pagtarong yun mo na pag manguli mo ang dami yun mo ninyo og saging o unsa pa dra ha. Bantay lang yun mo. Ikapoy may grab aning duha ka box tayo og matagaktak na po itong pambayad. Tagang pa dyan sa ako isulod o pwede lang isulod tanan. Di naman yun maigo, guys. So, vacuum na lang ganyan mo ang mga sinina. Na? People in the Philippines.
We forgot to put the vacuum in the front.
Pasaylo, So, ayan na, guys. Ano na lang na namo mutangag ngalan.
No, liebe Ella.
Kannst du weitermachen? Weiter. Go.
gubot kay among balay eh. Grabe ka gubot. Pick up na ni ugma guys. So dali-dali na mo kuan. Dali-dali na mo og kaning wrap. Final ba? Nawa na akong dagway, di na may tsura. Nagkatawa ko kay naay nga bili. Namo naman tangi pang andam. Kung background, no, Happy New Year pa yung tawon. Ang uban na nga bilin, sunod na lang makauli ko ha pohon. People in the Philippines, no? Narabang naman ni mga ngalan, oh. Siya. Bilin man siya. Sunod na lang siya. Crop top rabang ta ni siya, oh. Crop top siya. Nabilin mo ka. Muta eh. Muta ba yung kayo siya? Unta siya, oh. Gilabhan din na akong taro. Ay, namo ni tarong siya. Humot kay siya. Siya, ha? Sunod na lang siya. Ay, mga nangabili. Nambotog kung saan yung mga bahin dira. Pero katong wala mga bahin eh. Sunod na lang muli mang kupuhon, ha? Mga nangabilin, mga kuan. Sunod na lang. Dagan pang sunod. Sunod, magkuan ba? Ug barato lang yun magpadalag box. Padala ko lahat. Saon man, mahal-mahal man po. Pricey. Pero lami, mahal magpadala ng box dito from Germany to Philippines. Pero kahit mahal pa lang, ano ba, kung boto na naon, pwede na nimo tagaan sila cash dito. Tapos sila na magkan. Pero lahi itong ikaw yung naghago ba og wrap, then mga butang nimo, gisagol-sagol nimo ang mga pasalubong, tapos may mga tinubuan, may mga wala na nagamit, halang sapatos na Levi's ni Mami Rose, so anak ko nabutang.
Ha?
Levi's, itong puti, ipangayo ra pa to niya.
Ich habe schon zu dir gesagt, was der last.
Yeah, last na lang di eh. Shoes da, gamay po to ni mo ata mater, size 37 man to. Sunod na lang ha. Wala na nga sulod. Muli pa man ko ang tawo na unsa man mo.
Is that the last one?
No, it's still an anime.
The
Yeah,
new one, right?
yeah, anime.
Good.
Tapos i-wrap dayo ni Frank. So ayan na. Update ko kayo bukas pag i-pick up na.
I'm a pro.
You're a pro.
I have my doctor here. In this field of work.
PhD.
Yeah. My bachelor.
Bachelor of Science in Cling Wrap. Time now is already almost 2 a.m. Pick up time tomorrow 10 a.m. Between 10 a.m. to 12, I think. 10 to 12. Tapos, ayaw probably i-focus umayos akong dagway. Don't zoom my face. I'm hiding here with my fats and you zoom in. These 2 boxes. Hard work. Work hard for this. Tomorrow I have to pay 14,000 pesos. In peso guys, mahal dito magpadala ng box. But this is the only way na how is that pa? To show my love, my love and gratitude, grateful and so on to my family in the Philippines. This is not much. Not all ang matagaan, but I tried my best na apod-apod mo. So, and then, kamo na'y bahala magbahin-bahin. Sabot na lang tong wala makadawat. Ayun. So, ayun. Ning 2 box na akong gipadala. It took me too long. Mga tinubuan mo, Francene V, Vanessa's clothes. But I vacuum it so everything will fit, but not all. Napa. Then today, I'm still here to go. I'm still unten. But of course, important is the food, chocolates, and so on. Not lisod po puro rasinin nato ipadala. So some kanang mga tinubuan o mga klamoten ay sanina, mga ano lang na siya guys, mga pampalipay ginagmay. So kamo na bahala. I give you my big hug in Philippines. Yeah. Kung maigo lang mi diri sa box, if it's just legal, I will just bring oxygen inside. Will I survive pa? No. No too. Okay. So, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy Valentine's, Happy New Year, and whenever is this gonna come to you, then imagine if the cargo will sunk.
The ship?
Yeah. Ayaw po din taong I
It will break, the Nutella will sink on the ground because this is like not covered. So water will get there and then...
That's it.
And the other stuff, the water won't go that quick, so it will float. But if it's in a container, of course not.
Okay, but we don't think like that.
Think of the poor crew.
This is my third Balikbayan box. Third time.
Third time sending.
Third time I think. Third time or fourth time?
No, third time I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, 2 times in Düsseldorf and now the first time here.
Yeah, okay, third time and same.
But we only sent 1 box, we didn't send 2.
No, 2 boxes.
Was it 2?
The first one is only 1 to make a test, and it works. So 2 times now, 2 bucks now. Until 2 bucks only, because it's so expensive, the shipping. At least I give you some chocolates inside here.
Yeah, but if you send the money over, they can buy the chocolate the same amount
I know,
and the clothes
but
and all
I
that.
know people will say that it's still the
It's
same
like that.
amount.
They say that too.
No,
yeah?
no, they don't say that. But I thought the same. But it's different when it's you who pack, who put your effort, you shop for them. You think each of them, not all will get that every person there, but still they're gonna open it. They're gonna be happy what I have inside here.
And there's names on them.
Yeah, there's names on them.
So they see that there won't be any fighting.
There's no be fighting. Every apod yun mo tanan ha. Every con is there's name. Ang walay name, that means that's for mom. Okay? No name, that means for the house. You don't need to, that's mine because there's no name. That's for the house, okay? So,
Not that we're gonna have scenes in Rosaline's house, like in Turkey, when there's a relief convoy arriving, and all the people are running after it and looting the truck.
well, what is look at the 2 bags. I don't know what did they put here, eh? And it's still not enough. It's still not all gonna fit, but yeah, that's it. No, cannot.
It's all the waste of wrapping and all that stuff that is additional in there, which is taking the space away.
No.
The bubble wrap, the plastic and all that.
No. I bubble wrap only the Nutella. The rest is naked. Yeah. So that's it.
Okay. Good night.
Yeah. See you in Philippines.